Wow. We've been on the excursion, riding these buggies here.
At the beach.
At where?
At the beach.
We're at the beach. We've been through the jungle. Look at the beautiful ocean. This is what enjoying life is all about. You got to get out the States so that you can enjoy life, rebuild your family. I'm going to talk about a subject one day, very, very soon here, on how to rebuild your family. Will you leave everything to rebuild your family? This is how you rebuild it. You build it in paradise. The great Dominican Republic. The great Dominican Republic. People out there parasailing. Out there, as far as you can see, ocean blue water. Just look at it. There's no substitute for living life. There's not enough money in the world that can keep me in the States. Should I say the racist United States, to keep me away from all this beauty right here. Beautiful, gorgeous, stunning, whichever way you want to call it. Subscribe, like, and leave your comments in the section below. This is your boy Dr. I'm from Dr. RT, coming from Canada, Dominican Republic, showing you how that you can rebuild your life. Pick up all the broken pieces and rebuild your life. It can be done. I've done it. Many have done it before. This is your boy Dr. RTV, coming to you once again live. Just look at the view. We even came here. Oh no, this is a part of our excursion. Look at the buggies. We're having a good time. And to the end. Bye-bye.